Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use KojiDew Max Cream. To begin your application, always ensure your skin is clean and completely dry. Gently wash your face using a mild, non-abrasive cleanser, then carefully pat it dry with a soft, clean towel. Removing all traces of makeup, dirt, and oil is a vital first step, ensuring the cream can work effectively. This thorough cleansing prepares your skin, allowing for maximum absorption and optimal benefits. After cleansing, dispense a small, pea-sized amount of KojiDew Max Cream onto your fingertip. This is typically enough for a small area. Gently apply the cream to the desired areas using light, upward circular motions. Ensure the cream is spread thinly and evenly, allowing it to fully absorb into your skin without any residue. A little goes a long way for effective treatment. For optimal results, it is recommended to apply KojiDew Max Cream 2 times daily. Use it once in the morning, after your regular cleansing routine, and again in the evening, before you go to sleep. Establishing a consistent daily routine is crucial, as regular application helps maintain continuous benefits. Remember, consistency is key to supporting your skin's journey towards improvement. When using KojiDew Max Cream, it is critically important to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day. This protects your skin from sun sensitivity. Avoid applying the cream to any broken, irritated, or freshly shaved areas, as this could cause discomfort. Additionally, always perform a small patch test on your forearm 24 hours prior to full application, ensuring there are no adverse reactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.